Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on the description.
Bitcoin Cash truly has a medium-term obstruction at $109.8, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. Just exchanges close $419.30, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Just pair exchanging above MI20 in a fundamentally significant way. The especially current exchanging volume of Bitcoin Cash really is at $1,243, 137, 628, and sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. A 5-walk 2024. In this we will, by and large, walk you through Bitcoin Cash cost examination for now or for extremely 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these as often as possible, basically gotten clarification on pressing issues facts. What explicitly is exceptionally momentary cost expectation for Bitcoin Cash, for the most part is BCH a truly wise interest in a quite enormous manner. Bitcoin Cash support and opposition levels and so on, which generally is very critical. In any case, prior to jumping especially profound into the BCH specialized examination, generally let us sort of discuss the sort of current economic situations, or so they thought. Market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there by and large was a destruction of 184%, bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $409,922,426 to 175 in an unobtrusive manner. The fundamentally all-out exchanging volume most certainly remains at $222,741 to 32, most certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 52.16% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33%, which truly is genuinely critical, which especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $63,913.47 level after a decay of 398%, which especially is very huge. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum in a real sense has seen a cost increment of 33% coming to $3,610 money during the past 24 hours, so the genuinely all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $222,741,232, which explicitly is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $404.54, following a value change of 251% within a similar time period, which essentially is genuinely huge. Sol, the kind of local coin of Solana, most certainly is up by 219 and presently exchanging at $132.24. Moreover, XRP came to $162 subsequent to seeing a decay of 5.08% in esteem, further appearance how 05 walk 2024. In this we will essentially walk you through Bitcoin Cash cost examination for now, or for the following week, and in every practical sense, attempt to answer these habitually really clarified some things facts, what for the most part is momentary cost expectation for Bitcoin Cash, by and large is BCH a kind of wise interest in a genuinely significant manner. These occasions sort of demonstrate that the market certainly is going in and in every practical sense, descending bearing for certainly present moment, which especially is very huge. Right now, an especially broad, extremely bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, so while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $404.54, following a value change of 251% within a similar time span, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin Cash backing and obstruction backing and opposition explicitly are significant specialized markers used to truly distinguish really key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in a very huge manner. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchases in a real sense become essentially more kind of dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting that yet prior to jumping kind of profound into the BCH specialized examination, sort of allowed us truly to discuss the kind of current economic situations, which generally is very critical. Similarly, opposition in a real sense is a level at which vendors truly move essentially dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, by and large. Further appearance how right now, a truly broad in every practical sense, negative plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, so while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $404.54, following a value change of 251% within a similar time span, or so they truly thought. Following especially are the help and opposition levels of Bitcoin Cash BCH Bitcoin Cash execution. The very current Bitcoin Cash cost basically is $4.19, with an exchanging volume of $1,243,137 to $628 in the kind of beyond 24 hours, exhibiting how Zo5 walk 2024. In this, we will by and large walk you through Bitcoin Cash cost examination for now or for in every way that really matters, 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these much of the time basically sought clarification on some pressing issues facts. What for the most part is momentary cost expectation for Bitcoin Cash, explicitly is BCH a sort of wise venture, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Right now, BCH is somewhere near 626% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $243,503,474 USD, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin Cash Value Examination BCH Cost Examination for Zo5 Walk 2024 inside and in every practical sense, day-to-day time period most certainly made sense of beneath, showing how support sort of is a level at which purchases in a real sense become certainly more kind of dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting that yet prior to jumping extremely profound into the BCH specialized examination, really let us in a real sense discuss the sort of current economic situations in a genuinely significant manner. We utilize commonly relative strength indexes, moving pretty normal combination and uniqueness MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including especially straightforward moving. Fundamentally normal SMA and dramatic moving commonly normal AMAD to sort of examine the future development of the Bitcoin Cash, which by and large shows that. Moreover, XRP came to $0.62 subsequent to seeing a decay of 5 at 8% in esteem, especially further appearance Hauser 5 Walk 2024. In this, we will truly walk you through Bitcoin Cash cost examination for now or for in every practical sense, 1 week from now, and explicitly attempt to answer these regularly truly clarified some pressing issues. Facts. What truly is truly transient cost expectation for Bitcoin Cash in a real sense is BCH a for the most part wise venture, while BCH's Williams %R marker basically is at 63.21 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange commonly signal especially is truly conceivable at this reach, showing how Bitcoin shares 52.16% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, which generally is genuinely critical. The kind of relative strength list RSI shows that the BCH coin explicitly is in oversold stage, as RSI fundamentally is at 25, or so they explicitly thought. The MACD line for the most part is remaining underneath of the sign line after a hybrid, or so they generally thought. Bitcoin Cash financial backers need to basically hang tight for any directional change over the day-to-day outline, which most certainly is very